There are tons of new earrings in our Etsy store. I would love for you to go over there and take a look, and I've shared a coupon code just for you. So these are only a snippet of what's available in the store. Everything is handmade. Everything is one of a kind. You're not going to see yourself coming and going with these beautiful earrings, and you can enjoy a $5 off coupon at checkout. In addition to, you will be sent another coupon to use on your next purchase after you make your first purchase with us. So excited. That's $10 off in 2 separate transactions. I look forward to you being our client. Thank you again for your love and support, and have an incredible summer.